Why are you so tired? You slept 8 hours last night. You didn't run a marathon. You didn't carry bricks all day. So why does your body feel like it weighs 1,000 pounds? Why does waking up feel like a chore? I will tell you why. Because you are carrying something heavier than bricks. You are carrying a corpse on your back called yesterday, and you are pushing a massive boulder in front of you called tomorrow. You are physically here, sitting in this room, but mentally, you are a ghost. You are fighting battles that haven't happened yet. You are replaying conversations that ended 5 years ago. You are trying to control an outcome that hasn't even been born. You are not tired because of work. You are tired because of the war inside your head. The human mind was designed to be a tool, a sharp, brilliant instrument. But for you, it has become a master, a cruel master that never lets you rest. What if I told you that the peace you are chasing isn't found by adding more to your life? It is found by subtracting. Today, we are going to put down the corpse. We are going to smash the boulder. Today, we learn the ancient art of emptying the cup. Let me tell you the story of a man named Arthur. Arthur was what the world calls a success. He was a senior partner at a massive law firm. He had the corner office with the view. He wore suits that cost more than most people's cars. He had a beautiful house and a bank account that never ran dry. But Arthur was dying inside. His mind was like a crowded highway during rush hour. Thousands of thoughts, honking, screaming, crashing into each other. The deadline, the lawsuit, the divorce, the stock market, the opinion of others. He couldn't taste his food. He couldn't hear the wind. He couldn't look his children in the eye without thinking about his emails. He was drowning in his own success. One day, Arthur simply broke. He walked out of a meeting, left his phone on the table, drove to the airport, and bought a ticket to the east. He didn't want a vacation. He wanted silence. He traveled deep into the mountains, searching for the legendary Zen Master. After days of climbing, Arthur found the humble temple. He burst through the gates, out of breath, sweaty and desperate. He found the master sitting quietly by a koi pond, feeding the fish. "Master," Arthur shouted, "I need your help. My mind is a mess. I have anxiety. I have insomnia. I can't stop thinking. Teach me your most advanced meditation. Give me the secret technique. I will pay you anything." The master didn't look up. He threw a few crumbs to the fish and said softly, "You are in a hurry." "Yes, my time is limited," Arthur replied. The master smiled. "Come, sit. Let us have tea first." Arthur sat down, annoyed. He didn't want tea. He wanted answers, but he obeyed. The master placed a small, delicate porcelain cup in front of Arthur. He picked up a heavy iron teapot. "You have come a long way," the master said. "You have studied many things. You have many degrees. You have many opinions." "Yes," Arthur said proudly. "I graduated top of my class. I know the theories." "I see," the master said. He began to pour the hot, steaming tea into Arthur's cup. The dark liquid swirled and rose. It reached the brim, but the master didn't stop pouring. The tea overflowed. It spilled over the sides of the cup, onto the wooden saucer, then onto the table, and finally dripped onto Arthur's legs. "Stop!" Arthur jumped up, shouting. "What are you doing? Are you blind? The cup is full. It can't hold any more." The master stopped pouring. He set the teapot down with a gentle clink. He looked up, and his eyes were terrifyingly clear. "Exactly," he whispered. "You are like this cup." Arthur froze. "You are full," the master continued. "You are full of your own opinions, your own speculations, your own ego, your past, your worries. You come here asking for wisdom, but you have no room to receive it. Nothing I teach you will enter because you are already full of you." The master pointed to the mess on the floor. "If you want to taste my tea, Arthur, you must first empty your cup." Arthur stared at the spilled tea. The lesson hit him harder than a punch. He sat back down, humbled. "But how?" Arthur asked, his voice trembling. "How do I empty it? I try to stop my thoughts. I fight them, but the more I fight, the louder they get." The master stood up. "Follow me." He led Arthur to the edge of the pond. The water was crystal clear. The master picked up a large stick and plunged it into the water. He stirred it violently. The mud from the bottom swirled up. The dead leaves mixed in. Within seconds, the beautiful, clear water turned into a brown, chaotic mess. You couldn't see anything. "This is your mind right now," the master said. "Cloudy, chaotic, confused." "So what do I do?" Arthur asked. Do I use my hands to push the mud down? Go ahead, the master challenged him. Try. Arthur knelt down. He put his hands in the water. He tried to push the mud away. He tried to scoop out the dirt. But every time his hands moved, he created more ripples. He churned up more mud. The more he tried to force the water to be calm, the worse it got. I can't, Arthur said, giving up. My interference is making it worse. Correct, the master smiled. Now, do nothing. Just watch. They stood in silence. 1 minute passed, then 2. Slowly, gravity did its work. The heavy mud began to sink to the bottom. The leaves floated to the edge. The ripples faded, and slowly, without any effort, without any force, the water became clear again. You see, the master whispered, the water knows how to be clear. It is its natural state. The mud is just a temporary visitor. Your mind is the same. Clarity is your natural state, but you are constantly stirring it. You are stirring it with your worry. You are stirring it with your analysis. You are trying to use your mind to fix your mind, and that creates only more mud. Emptying the mind does not mean destroying your thoughts. It means leaving the water alone. This is the secret we have forgotten in the modern world. We think that to solve a problem, we must think more. We must analyze more. But often the solution appears only when the water settles. Imagine you are sitting on the grass watching a busy highway. The cars are your thoughts. Most people run into the traffic. They try to stop the cars. They chase the bad cars. They try to hold on to the good cars. They get hit. They get hurt. That is stress. Emptying your mind simply means staying on the grass. You see the car. You see the angry thought. You see the fearful thought, but you don't run after it. You don't judge it. You don't invite it in for tea. You just watch it go by. When you stop stirring the water, the mud settles. When you stop fighting your thoughts, they lose their power over you. So, here is your challenge for today. You are holding a glass of water called your life. Your arm is aching because you have been holding it up for 20 years, trying to control every drop. Put the glass down. Just for 5 minutes today. Stop stirring. Stop trying to figure it out. Stop trying to be perfect. Stop trying to be successful. Just be. The peace you are looking for is not out there in the future. It is not in the next job, the next relationship, or the next paycheck. It is right here, underneath the noise. It has been waiting for you all along. Empty your cup, and you will taste the universe.